It's Saturday morning and I've got fabrics for you for $14.99. So if you've never bought our fabrics before, this is a great time. This first one we're going to start off is a reversible. It's a cotton poly. It does not have stretch. Well, I take that back. Okay, it's a stretch woven. It has stretch in one direction, but is that cute? A little jean jacket out of that would be adorable, or any kind of jacket where the lapels flip back. I think that's just really cute. And then this is, oh my goodness, this is heaven. This is 100% cotton and it's reversible. It's a, it's kind of two layers. There literally looks like there's two layers sandwiched together. It's adorable. It's a black and then a light gray. It's so cool. You could use it for so many things. $14.99, 100% cotton, you guys. Oh my, this is 100% cotton. Also love the print on this. It's a stretch woven. It stretches in one direction. And it's got great stretch and great, this would be a great pair of pants, jacket, either one. I love this one. I wish you could feel it. This is a viscose, 100% viscose. It's a knit. Look at the drape on that. Oh my goodness, $14.99. This is stash worthy. Same with this one, 100% viscose. Look at the drape on that. It feels like a silk. It's got great drape. It's got great weight to it, great density. It's really beautiful. Very pretty. And then our last one is an embroidered, 100% cotton for $14.99. Y'all can't find embroidered fabric for $14.99, but this is 100% cotton. It's got great, it's just beautiful. Great color, great everything. So the goal is to make you happy on Saturday, and the goal with happy is to have great fabrics at great prices. So happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.